Guys, have you ever picked up a gadget that doesn't look like it should work, but then you use it once and suddenly it's in your pocket every day? Well, this is the Wuben G5 flashlight. And at first glance, it doesn't really look like a normal flashlight at all. But once you start using it, you quickly realize why this little thing is getting so much attention. So to find out what makes this Wuben G5 different and whether it's actually worth carrying, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, when it comes to everyday carry flashlights, or torches as we like to call them, most of them are pretty similar. You've got like straight tube, single beam, maybe a clip, job done. But the Wuben G5 takes a very different approach, and it's clearly designed around real-world use rather than just maximum brightness, which is maybe sometimes just numbers on a box. Now, before we get into it, Wuben did send this over to me to take a look at and to give my honest opinion. And you know guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box you've got the Wuben G5 itself, front and center. You also get a USB-C charging cable, and you get a carry strap, and of course you get some basic paperwork, and that's pretty much it. And honestly, that's fine. This is very much a functional everyday carry light rather than something padded out with tons of extras that you'll never use. And in fact, actually, there are a few little extras, but first impressions straight out of the box are good. This thing feels solid in the hand. The finish is clean, and the swivelling head is immediately the thing that stands out. This is clearly designed to be used as a tool, not just something that you throw in the drawer. First thing you'll notice, guys, is that swivelling head. The emitter actually rotates, which instantly makes this more of a task light than just a torch that you point straight ahead. There's a small heat warning because, you know what, it can warm up over time. But you know what, in normal use, I never felt that it got too hot or too uncomfortable. Also, guys, you've got this movable pocket clip, and just like the light head, it can be positioned on either side. That gives you loads of flexibility depending on how you want to carry it or mount it. I mean, actually, you know, I stuck it on the peak of my hat because, you know, if I was sitting down and I was working on a project or something like that and I needed some extra light, it's all kind of hands-free. And also, guys, talking about hands-free, there's also a magnet built in, which turns out to be way more useful than you might expect. Again, if you're working on a project, doing something you want to be hands-free, you can stick it onto something metal, angle that beam around, like, you know, turn it around, and you know what, you are good to go. Now guys, in terms of light modes, the Wuben G5 keeps things fairly simple. You've got a lockout mode, you've got a normal usable mode, and you've got a charging mode, all controlled via a little slider on the bottom. Once you're in standard mode, you're using the white light, and this is where things get interesting. So instead of like a stepped brightness level, you get stepless dimming using this little wheel. And that's something you normally only see on much more expensive lights. And it lets you dial in exactly the amount of light you want, from as low as 2 lumens all the way up to 400 lumens. And you know what? For an everyday carry light this size, that's more than enough. And guys, in practice, you know what? The beam is very floody. There's no harsh hotspot here. It spreads light evenly, which makes it ideal for close-up tasks, working in cupboards, drawers, or even tight spaces. And you've got the benefit of that hands-free as well. I've used this little thing while, you know, fitting drawers and working on cabinets, and even, you know, magnetized to metal surfaces, so I can keep both hands free. This is one of those lights that makes sense. the moment you actually start using it. And guys, the Wuben G5 also has an RGB mode, which is accessed by holding the button down. Once you're in RGB, that same wheel becomes a color selector, letting you cycle through colors like yellow, green, blue, whatever, right? You can't adjust the brightness in RGB mode, but honestly, this feels more like a fun bonus feature than something you'd rely on daily. And you know what? It's still great for visibility, signaling, or just a bit of fun. Now guys, charging is handled via the USB-C cable, which is exactly what you want to see. You open the port, plug it in, and the RGB indicator lights up red while charging. Once it's charged, it switches to blue. Bright, clear, easy to see at a glance. You know when your battery is charged. Now, the battery life is rated, wait for it, to 65 hours. Yeah, 65 hours. Obviously, depending on what kind of brightness you use, which, you know what, this thing's tiny, and that is pretty respectable for a light this size. Now, guys, you know what? It's obviously not perfect. Nothing's perfect, right? I mean, this slider can move slightly when it's in your pocket, so it's worth making sure that it's properly set. And because of the moving parts, I'm not sure if it's the most waterproof flashlight that's out there. But you know what? For everyday use and for outdoor tasks, I've had no issues whatsoever. So guys, there you have it. The Wuben G5 isn't trying to be the brightest flashlight on the planet. It's trying to be useful, and honestly, that's exactly what it is. Between the swiveling head and the stepless dimming, the magnet, the compact size, I mean, it's become one of those lights you just keep reaching for. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you could pick this up for only £23.99. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Wuben for sending me this cool G5 flashlight to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.